And over in Manchester, the police are talking tough against those who continue to flout the Disaster Risk Management Act. They have also revealed that over 60 people have been charged for breaches under the Act. Prince Moore reports.
During this season, the Disaster Risk Management Act and the Noise Abatement Act will be strictly enforced.
Head of the Manchester Police Division, Superintendent Gary Francis, issuing a stern warning to residents in the parish. It appears that the calls from the government for persons to stop hosting entertainment events have fallen on deaf ears. At a recent municipal meeting, Medical Officer of Health for the parish, Dr. Nadine Williams, indicated that these events are contributing to the rise in COVID-19 cases. Superintendent Francis says his team has taken note and are taking action.
I want to appeal to the promoters of events, whether they classify the events as cookouts, house parties, day rave. These are all unpermitted or illegal activities that we will be strongly enforcing the law. There is a zero tolerance toward these events because these events attract the crowd and it goes to support the spread of the novel coronavirus.
Over the last 2 weeks, over 60 persons have been prosecuted for breaches under the Disaster Risk Management Act in Manchester. Several persons have also been charged for breaches of the Noise Abatement Act.
Mainly bar owners, promoters, DJs, and persons affiliated with these illegal activities.
But with the holidays fast approaching, there are questions about resources. Superintendent Francis says the support from the military will continue to assist in cracking down on the breaches.
In northern Manchester, 25 persons have been prosecuted. In the south, we have prosecuted 12, and in the central Manchester, 28. We will continue. We will continue with the support of our colleague from the Jamaica Defense Force. We will continue to enforce these acts to ensure that our citizens are safe.
Prince Moore, TVJ News.